So here it is, a brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max. I just wanted to make a little showcase showing exactly what it looks like in this Sierra blue color, because I found that it's really hard to tell from all the promotional stuff that Apple put out there and the videos online. It's really hard to tell what the color actually looks like in non-professional lighting, like outside of a studio, just in like a normal environment. But here it is. I gotta say, I really like it. It's a lot less blue than it looks like in the pictures. It's more of a gray with a bluish tint to it, which I really like. I was afraid it was going to be like overload of baby blue, but I'm not seeing that. It's actually a really nice subtle blue. Like I said, more of like a grayish color with a hint of blue. With the light off. So hopefully this gives you a little bit better of a sense of what the Sierra blue actually looks like on the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. In person, like I said, it seems to be a lot more subtle, sort of like a grayish color with just a hint of blue to it, which I think is a good thing. Here's another look at the color in a different type of light. Very subtle bluish gray. Here it is outside in some natural light. Very subtle sort of blue, the Sierra blue. I do like it. Like I said, it's more of like a grayish blue. Nice subtle look to it. So if you're someone who wanted to try something different with the Sierra blue, iPhone 13 or 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max, if you were afraid to try it because you thought it would be too over the top, I say don't be. It's a nice subtle color, and I think it looks really good. I think the Sierra blue iPhone does look really nice in this Spigen Tough Armor case in the slate color. I got this on Amazon. Once again, this is a Spigen Tough Armor for the iPhone 13 Pro Max in my case, but I'm pretty sure they also make it for the Pro regular. And this is the slate color. And it's, again, sort of a grayish blue, definitely darker than the color of the phone itself, but I think it's a very nice complement to it. I think it looks good against that Sierra blue color.